Did you know that with just one simple kitchen ingredient, you can help your Anthurium grow strong roots and bloom all year without using chemical fertilizers? In today's video, I'll share a completely natural, easy to follow, and highly effective care method that works perfectly for indoor Anthurium plants. If your plant is growing slowly, producing few flowers, or struggling with weak roots, don't miss this video. The solution might already be in your kitchen. Let's get started and help your Anthurium grow healthier and bloom consistently over time. Now, I'm going to use coffee powder, a common kitchen ingredient that can be surprisingly effective for Anthurium care. I take 1 tablespoon of pure coffee powder, add it to 1 liter of boiling water, and stir well, so the coffee dissolves and releases its nutrients. Coffee contains nitrogen, potassium, and trace minerals, which helps stimulate strong root growth, boost plant resistance, and improve the growing environment. These nutrients also help keep the soil loose and well aerated, support beneficial microorganisms, and make the leaves greener while flowers last longer. After stirring, I let the mixture rest for about 30 minutes until it fully cools before use, making sure it's safe for the plant. Now, I will carry out a general inspection of the Anthurium plant before moving on to the next care steps. Upon closer observation, I notice several leaves that are dry and discolored, along with some small stems and petioles that have withered and stopped developing. These parts can no longer absorb nutrients and may even slow down the growth of the healthy parts of the plant. If left untreated, they can create favorable conditions for mold and pests, especially in humid environments. That's why identifying and treating these weakened parts early is a small but very important step in restoring plant health. This inspection also prepares the plant to better absorb the nutrients that will be provided in the next steps. By the way, which country are you watching from? I'm very happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden, so feel free to leave a comment below. It's amazing that we can connect and share our love for plant care with people from all around the world. After soaking the coffee powder for about 30 minutes, I stir the mixture once more and then remove all the coffee grounds, keeping only the liquid that contains the extracted nutrients. Removing the residue helps prevent root blockage and reduces the risk of mold growth in the growing medium, especially in humid conditions. As a result, the solution becomes cleaner, easier to use, and safer for the plant during the next care steps. Next, I add 1 tablespoon of honey to the filtered coffee solution and stir well until the honey is fully dissolved. Honey contains natural enzymes and easily absorb sugars that stimulate beneficial microorganisms and help roots absorb nutrients more efficiently when combined with coffee. After that, I add about 500 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the solution and make it gentler. This dilution helps prevent plant shock during watering, or foliar spraying, making it especially suitable for ornamental plants like Anthurium. With this mixture, we have a completely natural nutrient solution that is easy for the plant to absorb and safe to use during care. In step 1, I soak a soft cotton pad in the diluted coffee and honey solution, then gently wipe all the Anthurium leaves. I move slowly and carefully, wiping both the upper and lower surfaces of each leaf so the solution is evenly applied. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, bacteria, and fungal spores, allowing the leaves to breathe and function more efficiently. The diluted coffee solution provides small amounts of natural minerals, helping the leaves look greener, shinier, and supporting photosynthesis. Meanwhile, honey contains natural enzymes and easily absorb sugars that stimulate beneficial microorganisms and enhance nutrient uptake through the leaves. The combination of coffee and honey helps the plant reduce physiological stress and supports more stable metabolic activity. When the leaves are healthy and clean, the plant can absorb nutrients more efficiently, creating a strong foundation for root and new shoot development. This allows the Anthurium to grow in a balanced way from leaves to roots, preparing it for bud formation and long-lasting blooms. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also available in multiple languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, and Portuguese. The video is also available in Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily switch languages in the video settings. Although simple, this leaf wiping step plays a crucial role in keeping the Anthurium healthy and ready for the next care steps. In step 2, I pour the diluted coffee and honey solution into a spray bottle and gently mist the entire Anthurium plant. I spray from the upper to the lower leaf surfaces, then move to the stems and leaf petioles, ensuring even coverage. While spraying, I keep the mist light and even, avoiding strong pressure so the solution can be absorbed gradually and naturally. Spraying directly onto the leaves and stems allows the plant to absorb nutrients faster than root watering alone, especially when the plant is weak or growing slowly. The diluted coffee solution provides small amounts of natural minerals, helping deepen leaf color, enhance shine, and support photosynthesis. Meanwhile, honey contains natural enzymes and easily absorbed sugars that stimulate beneficial microorganisms and support plant metabolism. The combination of coffee and honey helps the plant reduce physiological stress, especially during recovery or before the budding stage. Spraying the entire plant evenly promotes balanced growth, keeping not only the leaves, but also the stems and petioles strong. When the plant is healthy from leaves to stems, the root system becomes more active, improving nutrient uptake and stability. As a result, the Anthurium builds a strong foundation for consistent bud formation and produces vibrant, long-lasting blooms over time. In step 3, I water the diluted coffee and honey solution directly onto the entire growing medium of the Anthurium. When applied to the growing medium, the solution helps improve the root environment, keeping the substrate airy and well-drained so roots can breathe and anchor properly. Coffee provides small amounts of natural minerals that support new root growth, while honey helps activate beneficial microorganisms and improve nutrient uptake. Watering the entire growing medium evenly helps the plant develop in balance from the roots upward, reducing issues such as healthy leaves at poor flowering. After watering, I soak the plant in the solution for about 10 minutes, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients gradually and more effectively. This step helps stabilize the root system, building a strong foundation for long-term growth and blooming of the Anthurium. After completing all care steps, I use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth to gently dry all the Anthurium leaves. I wipe each leaf slowly, from the upper surface to the underside, being careful not to damage the leaf surface. Drying the leaves helps remove excess solution left on the surface and prevents prolonged moisture, which can easily lead to fungal or bacterial issues. When the leaves are clean and dry, air circulation improves, allowing respiration and photosynthesis to work more efficiently. Regular leaf wiping also helps you detect early signs of pests or disease, so you can take action before the plant becomes weak. When the leaves are healthy, the plant can focus more energy on root development and bud formation, supporting stable and long-lasting blooms. Although this is the final step, it plays a very important role in keeping your Anthurium healthy, clean, and ready for continuous growth over time. With simple natural ingredients like coffee and honey, we can create an organic care method that helps plants stay strong at the roots, green in the leaves, and bloom longer over time. But the most meaningful part is not just watching the plant grow, it's the peace we feel when connecting with nature through our own care. Thank you for spending time with Flower Care Garden today. If you enjoy natural plant care methods, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so we can continue sharing Green Joe together. See you in the next videos.